Richard and I are extremely excited to present this stunning family home. What we love about this property is that it's been architecturally designed. It's got a gorgeous open plan layout, plus your own private access to Kedron Brook. I'm Dan De Silva, and welcome to 103 Nelson Street in Kalinga. Let's check it out. As you can see, properties like this that have a backdrop like this do not come to market often. So if you have any questions or would like to arrange an inspection, feel free to give me a call.